Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. I'm going to be tying this very beautiful turban. The anticipated, you've been waiting for this turban. And let me start by showing you how big this turban is. The turban is quite big. It's a 2.5 yard Dupion rawsilk. So I do sell it. If you want to buy, you can just send me a DM via Instagram at Hadidi Makeovers. So you want to make sure your edges, before tying the turban, you want to have a clean edges. I'm going to be using the hair wax edge control to control her edges, just to lay her edges very well. So after that, I'm going to be tying the turban. It's a 50-50 part turban. That's in equal part. Can you see? Then I'm going to be folding 2 inches inside, and then I'll be pleating each side and flipping on opposite side. So as you can see, I'm just going to arrange the pleats very well. You want to make sure your pleats are well laid. I told you guys, you want to make sure the pleats are smooth and neat. So after that, I'm going to be flipping it to the opposite side again. Then I'll be using this material, this chiffon material. Not chiffon, this material is not chiffon. I don't know what this material is, but it's her veil. I just feel, let me use 2 colors since she's putting on a mustard yellow, so that let me mix it with green, and it went perfectly and it looks good. So I'll be using that too on top of the green rawsilk. I'll be making sure the volume, I'll be adding more volume to the back of her head, and then using the rawsilk to hold that down, like the rough parts of the back of the turban. I'll be using that, then twisting it in opposite side. It's also even the material is in a 50-50 part measurement. Then I'll be bringing up the rawsilk and then tying it at the top. I'll be making a knot at the top to secure, but I'll be doing that securing the veil too inside the second part of the rawsilk that I am tying now. I'll be asking my model to hold it down for me, and then tying a knot at the top. I am not going to be doing anything with this. I'll just be creating something beautiful at the top of it. So I'm going to be twisting the material, the yellow material, and then twisting the other hand too. Since it's a 50-50 part, then I'll tie it at the back and tuck it inside the rawsilk. I'll be using a pin to secure that. Then I'm going to arrange the top of the turban. Can you see this? So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like if you want to watch the makeup tutorial. I'll be leaving a link down below so that you can go watch how we created this beautiful makeup. So if you love this turban, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.